Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you 4 quick, new and easy overnight oat recipes. I love these because they are super easy to make and they are perfect for meal prepping. So for the first recipe, I used coconut yogurt, mango, chia seeds, coconut flakes, pineapple, almond milk, and oats. Before assembling the oats, I am going to blend mango, pineapple, and almond milk. In a jar, combine oats and chia seeds, mix it, and add the blended mango, pineapple, and almond milk. Mix it again and add coconut yogurt and top it with pineapple and coconut flakes. And there you have it. So for the second combination, I used chia seeds, oats, almond milk, and almond yogurt, jam or jelly, peanuts, and peanut butter. To give the milk a peanut butter flavor, I'm going to blend almond milk with peanut butter. Combine the oats and chia seeds, then add the milk. Top it with jam or jelly. Add yogurt. And top it off with peanuts. For the third recipe, I used oats, coconut yogurt, almond milk, kiwi, and chia seeds. Start by blending the kiwi and almond milk. Combine the chia and oats and add milk. Add yogurt and top it off with fresh kiwi. And there you have it. So for the last one, I used peaches, lemon, almond milk, and almond yogurt, chia seeds, and oats. Start with blending the peaches and almond milk. Mix oats with chia seeds. Add the milk. And squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Add yogurt. Top it off with fresh peaches and lemon zest. I have an extra bonus overnight oat recipe for you guys in my free ebook. The download link is in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. And as always, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.